you buy directly from the platform, like let me show you. When you buy, you can see over here, there is 1% deposit fees over here. And whenever you sell index, there is 0.5% deposit platform fees while you sell an index. So if you buy directly from, this affiliate marketing 3.0, your platform fees is practically null. So let me again take an example. And same example, 50,000, like you are buying an index, in the total volume of 50,000. So that means if you buy directly from the platform fees is almost 1%, that is $500, right? Plus, additionally, when you sell, it's 0.5%. So that's again $250. And as many times you will buy this, you are gonna, you're gonna be charged with this. But if you buy it from We Are All Satoshis or affiliate marketing 3.0, you are having the same charge. Like if you're buying it from VAS, right? So you are getting a limit of 50,000, the purchasing power of 50,000. And over here, the package value is $500. So clearly you can see that you will get most benefit if you are buying it from the affiliate marketing platform. So that way, you not just may claim profits from your indices trading, but from the affiliate side also, you get all this benefits. So practically, if you are sponsoring your own account, that's a like 50% discounts. Of course, if you are eligible for it. If you are building team and people under you are buying DeFi product as well, not just Dodo subscriptions. They are buying NFTs, they are buying nodes, they are buying 9pay, they are buying Dodo subscriptions. So you claim 3x potential earning as well. So that way your package value benefits you more if you're buying it from affiliate marketing 3.0. I hope this is clear what is the advantage, right? One more thing, let us understand the purchasing power. Over here, it's mentioned Dodo index buying limit. So what does that mean? So with a $500 package, you are having 100x of buying limit. So that is 50,000, right? So that doesn't mean that you need 50,000 over here. It simply means that you will require, of course, additional funds when you start with Dodo. Over here with 500, subscription, you are just getting an access to the platform. You are getting just an access to the platform, which you are also paying on the, on the directly platform. So with $500 subscription, you are just getting an access to the platform along with this affiliate benefits, right? And with this, you will, of course, require additional funds to buy the indexes. So this additional fund will be in USDT ERC20. Please make sure that you deposit ERC20. So this is the volume, the trading volume that you require to buy indexes for the first time. Or whenever you top up your wallet and you buy. So the wallet recommended over here is Coinbase. So right now, if you are accessing Dodo, of course, it's a live platform. You can right now also you can deposit. You can have Ethereum on your Coinbase volume, and you can have ERC20 USDT. And with this, you can obviously right now also you can buy any indexes, right? So to start your Dodo subscription, You can buy in, affiliate marketing 3.0. And with this, you get an access to the platform. Of course, there will be a whitelisting thing that we need to understand. I will brief you. Whitelisting of the wallet. It is not going to be like Boomerang. It is going to be different this time. So please understand that also carefully. But you will require additional funds to buy indexes. Let's say you are planning to buy $500 worth indices. So you must have additional funds, additional to the subscriptions. So 500 went for the subscription. Then you need to have additional funds in ERC20. And with this funds, you can buy indices. All right. Now, right now, the platform is based on Ethereum blockchain. So right now, the Ethereum gas fees are very high. And for that reason, Chavez has asked us not to buy indexes. At least you can buy the subscriptions, but not to buy indexes on the platform, because very soon he is gonna add additional features to Dodo, as well as there is a concept called account abstraction, which he covered in one of his Friday call. You can go to the recording and you can try to study about this account abstraction. Now, what are the benefits of account abstraction? He will explain when he implements this, but this is going to be a game changer, and this is definitely going to reduce the gas fees on Ethereum. All right. So you can buy subscriptions from here, but it is right now not recommended because Chavez has mentioned it will take only a week when he will implement this account abstraction. And with that, there will be a reduction in the gas fees in Ethereum. So I hope this is clear. So anybody who wants to buy a Dodo package right now, they can buy it on Affiliate Marketing 3.0. And we will wait until the additional features and account abstraction is recommended or implemented. Now, anybody who has bought Dodo subscriptions right now, I mean the Dodo indices right now, again, we will recommend that it's only a matter of a week. So by then, Chavez will introduce these features. And right now, if you sell, like even if you see a profit of $500, right now, gas fees is very high, and you might claim something around $300 or $350 only, even though you have made a profit of $500. This is all because of the gas fees on Ethereum. So Chavez has also introduced a concept of aggregated gas fees. Another reason why people are, charged with so much high gas fees is there is a concept of aggregated gas fees. So there are three types of gas fees. Once when you buy an index, right? So there will be a gas fees in Ethereum. So that gas fees you must have on your Coinbase wallet. So right now you can see I'm having this gas fees, Ethereum for gas fees. And now I want to buy the indices. So I'm also having USDT ERC20 in this thing. So let us say I buy an index of $500, right? So when I buy an index of $500, so there is a gas fees involved. Now this index will buy its underlying assets. So all the tokens that our index will purchase, like right now you can see this is infrastructure, and in infrastructure index there are Excel, Link, Safe, Zero, and Great. So these coins, the indices, the index will buy on your behalf. The smart contract will buy on your behalf. So again, there is going to be a gas fees. So this is called SF1. All right. Then when you sell an index, again, there is a gas fees. So this gas fees is called SF2. All right. So like you have purchased this index, it performed well. Now you want to sell it off. So when you sell, it again sell all the assets. The best part about Dodo is either you can withdraw in USDT ERC20, or if you want to withdraw in individual assets, so even that is possible. So this is second gas fees, right? SF2. And then there is fourth gas fees. That is like you have over here an indices like top 10 ERC coins. So your money is right now invested in the top 10 ERC20 coins. So if any coin, it jumps off from the list and new coin is added to the list, so the underlying assets are swapped. So again, a gas fees is charged swapping in swapping off underlying assets. This happens every 24 hours. All right. So this is the gas fees. Then these are all the gas fees. So this everything right now, if you are experimenting on Dodo, if you are buying indices, the platform is live, but you are gonna definitely incur all this gas fees. Now, how does this aggregated gas fees work? So let us say like we have over here 210 people. So if 210 people, they are buying an index of infrastructure. So there is going to be a 15-minute cycle. So within this 15 minutes, all the people who would buy index infrastructure, so whatever the gas fees while buying an index, this gas fees will be distributed equally amongst all these members. Whosoever is buying index infrastructure. This is again an example. Now, of this 210 people who have bought index infrastructure, like they decide to sell off, like maybe 100 they decide to sell off. And if again they are in the 15-minute cycle, then the second gas fees will be distributed amongst all the 100 members, right? Whenever they sell the index. Then if this 210 people are holding this index infrastructure, so if there is any swapping of the underlying assets, then again, this is distributed amongst all the members. So this is how aggregated gas fees work. Now, many people are complaining that they had a profit of $500 and they just received like $200, $250, or maybe $300. The main reason behind it, right now, we don't have that many members amongst whom these aggregated gas fees can be distributed. It is quite a possibility that you might be the only person who would be buying an index or selling an index in that 15-minute time frame. So right now, it is, if you have already have bought a index, then we will recommend that you just keep it, no matter how much profit you get. You can calculate practically if you are comfortable with whatever profit, then it's okay. But you can calculate and you can hold the index, because very shortly account abstraction is gonna be implemented on Dodo, and it will greatly impact the gas fees in Ethereum. All right. So we were trying to understand this 50,000 buying limit. So let us say that I'm having this $500. Let us say I'm having this $500. Let me just in my Solana wallet. So this 500 is for subscription. This 500 is for subscription, and I'm getting a buying power of 50,000. Then I need to have additional, let's say $500 in USDT ERC20, right? Plus right now, the gas fees also in Ethereum. This is on Coinbase wallet. All right. So now I'm having a purchasing power of 50,000. Let us say first I bought my first index of $500, right? So from $500 buying limit or $50,000 buying limit, this 500 will be reduced, and I am now left with 45,000 buying limit. All right. Now it doesn't matter if I have made a profit or I'm holding, if I'm selling, but again, if either by selling this index or maybe adding additional funds, if again I am buying an index. So this is second time I'm buying an index. Maybe now I'm adding additional funds and I'm buying an index of $1,000, right? So now from $45,000, $1,000 again will be reduced. And now I'm left with a buying limit of 44,000. I'm sorry, there is a mistake. So this is gonna be 49,500. I'm sorry. Let me show you on calculator. It will be easy to understand over here. Like 50,000 is the buying limit. Now I am purchasing an index of 500. So 500 will be reduced. Now I'm left with a buying power of buying limit of 49,500. Again, by additional funds or maybe by making a profit from this index, I am having my second purchase of maybe $1,000. So $1,000 will be reduced from this. Again, I made a profit or I'm adding additional funds. I am now buying an index of $5,000. So 5,000 will be reduced, and that way my buying limit will keep on reducing until there is zero left over here. Once you reach your buying limit, and if people are really buying indexes every day, they are soon gonna exhaust this buying limit. And once they exhaust their buying limit, they will again come to Affiliate Marketing 3.0 and they will again buy a Dodo subscription. So I hope this is clear to everybody. What is this Dodo index buying limit? So that is the maximum purchase of indices you can have. This is the total purchase value that you can buy indices. So any subscription, it gives you 100 times of buying limit. I hope you're clear with what are the benefits of buying a Dodo subscriptions from Affiliate Marketing 3.0 and what are the, not the disadvantage, but everything has a pro and con. So what are the, the charges when you buy directly from the platform? Obviously, we are a part of affiliate marketing model, so definitely we would recommend to buy and suggest to your teams as well to buy from Affiliate Marketing 3.0. I hope Dodo is clear to you all. So right now, let us quickly have an overview of Affiliate Marketing 3.0, the brand new website and everything over here. So this is the new website. It itself looks like a presentation and it is so beautiful. It is so dynamic and it is so very impressive. So this is the introduction, and I believe the website itself, it's like a presentation. So all you need is to, whenever you are prospecting, whenever you are you're doing your sales, you can directly open the website one by one. You can brief about all the products, you can give them an overview of the entire thing, and this website is self-sufficient, I believe so. The landing page. So introducing Affiliate Marketing 3.0, redefining affiliate marketing through decentralized and collective trust. So all our products are, either DeFi or they are, we are able to access them through dApp right now. Even the Capital 3.0, we have a specially designed DAO. So we are, in true sense, believing in decentralization, and that's what we are creating through this Affiliate Marketing 3.0. So leading the future of affiliate marketing with trust and expertise. So affiliate marketing itself, it acts like a launchpad. So this is a very interesting term. Launchpads are like platforms through which many projects are launched. So now there is a new definition of VAS, that is Affiliate Marketing 3.0, and we act as a launchpad. We have very innovative projects that are provided to the community-driven marketplace. We give credibility, we grow together in the decentralized ecosystems. So this is our mission. This is our mission. Our mission is to revolutionize affiliate marketing by creating a fair and open ecosystem that supports affiliate partners and projects with innovation for equal and transparent benefits. Now, here are our beautiful products. So this looks so dap. This is so beautiful. So first product, of course, our central product, that is Bitcoin code. Over here, there is a brief introduction of Bitcoin code. You can clearly define Bitcoin code through this. And here are the links as well. So this opens the Bitcoin code technology, our URL of the blockchain. This opens the scanner, and this opens the BDCC white paper. So clearly these links are also active, and it will, these are like the shortcuts through which you can lead your prospects into, exploring all the products. Then for 9pay, this is the official website of 9pay. So over here, you can describe about 9pay and everything, right? What are the card purchase values and how these cards are defined and all the benefits of the cards. So everything. This will lead to another websites over here. Then Dodo. Now this is a clear definition of Dodo, the NASDAQ of DeFi index trading. So over here from this, you can go to the Dodo website. So d0d0.app. All right. So over here, you will explore the product. It will, brief about everything. So it clearly becomes very easy for us to demonstrate the entire ecosystem. And this is Dodo's white paper, directly accessible from the websites. And then this Capital 3.0. So Capital 3.0 official website. From here, you can connect to the dApp and the Capital 3.0 white paper. So from here, you can connect your wallet, and you can connect Solana Phantom wallet, and you can access Capital 3.0. Then many people, they question about Boomerang 2.0. So as you can clearly see over here, Boomerang 2.0 is definitely coming. The team is working hard to deliver this product once again, and soon it will be available as a product. So this would bring your confidence, because we all have been a part of Boomerang journey. We have seen what impact Boomerang platform can bring in this entire ecosystem and as an opportunity to every community members. So Boomerang 2.0 is definitely coming. Here is the proof of it, right? Then this is an interesting section in which I believe this section is always going to be there, because every a couple of months we are going to be delivering beautiful and excellent, interesting, innovative products. So we have this again, a special product that is soon on its way to be included in our business suite. Then these are the blogs. You can go through these blogs, and over here you can see, you can meet Chavez. So this section, it clearly describes Chavez in a very technical and very corporate manner. So this is the CEO part, and over here there is a section you can see, building connections through strong community management structure. What is this? So right now, when you scroll through this, you will see we are going to be implementing a corporate structure. So with the corporate structure, there, right now we can say that, there is a not a gap exactly, but there are, not clearly defined channels between the community and the corporate. So with this corporate structure, there is going to be a definite communication channel and a support system. So entire structure is right now, being implemented, or, we are authorizing many leaders who are going to be taking these global positions. Of course, we are not going to declare the names yet, but there are going to be, there is of course, there is the CEO, Mr. Chavez. Then there is going to be a global executive director who would act like a bridge between the corporate and the community. Then there are going to be global regional directors. They would be like country representatives, and there are going to be, lower rank leaders, they will be assisting these global directors, and there is going to be an entire hierarchy in this corporate structure. So how will this benefit? So this will definitely streamline the fall of information from the corporate to the last member of the community. This is all going to be organized, and the entire ecosystem, the entire affiliate, marketing model is going to be, implemented with this corporate structure. Again, many people have issues, many people require support. So there are going to be global representatives and regional representatives through which any assistance that is required to the last community members, that assistance can be provided. And then it can be passed on from the last member to the, to the CEO, maybe the global executive directors. So this is the corporate structure that is going to be implemented very soon. Let us quickly go through the WAS back office. We already have a clear video. It explains everything. I will just help you understand, the basics and what are the interesting features of the new dashboard. And we will circulate the dashboard tutorial in the groups and community channels. So very quickly, let's log on. So the URL for this affiliate marketing model 3.0 is still the same, was.network. And from the login section, you can log in. Your user ID and password remains the same. And using the same ID password, you can log into your dashboard, WAS back office, which is now affiliate marketing 3.0. Now on the very top, the basic difference you will have is this section was on the right side. It has now shifted to left side. So of course, it's going to be a little inconvenient because we are all, uh, and we have all, have a practice of, logging out and from the right side over here. So this section remains the same. We have profile, KYC, security, and logout. All the options and all the features remains the same. The only thing is it has been shifted from the right side to the left side. Now in the top, first of all, this green block, you have the addresses that you have submitted. So of course, for the NFT or the nodes, the BTC20 blockchain address, wallet address, that is the MetaMask wallet address that you submit is displayed over here. Then for Capital 3.0, the Solana blockchain wallet address is displayed over here. So you can check which wallet you have submitted. Then these are your affiliate links, the left one and the right one. The same features are available, like you can copy the link or you can directly use the register section to register a new user. So this is an overview in the next section. So this is your cumulative subscription. That means the total subscriptions you have purchased, the total value of subscriptions, all the subscriptions you have purchased. Of this is DeFi. So you can see 2,300 USD. Of this, 2,200 is SUSD, that is the DeFi, and 100 is CUSD, that is Capital 3.0. So like we mentioned, the entire ecosystem is divided into DeFi and Capital 3.0, right? These are DeFi product. And then there is Capital 3.0. So in the dashboard also, you will find the entire dashboard is divided in every section into DeFi first, then Capital 3.0. So that way, it's easy to understand. Remember this. The first section is DeFi, the second is Capital 3.0. In the DeFi, you have DeFi wallets. That is, the first wallet is income wallet, where whatever DeFi 3x potential earning you have, you claim, that is, you can withdraw in TRC20. All right, the procedure is still the same, no changes in the procedure. This is the unclaimed bonus of 3x. So whenever you buy any DeFi products, the potential earning you get is 3x. And if at the business closing you exceed this 3x, then whatever is extra that you had from affiliate, it goes to unclaimed bonus. You need to recharge in 24 hours or else this will flush out. Then this is the TRC20 wallet holding, and this is the BTC20 wallet holdings. Of course, DeFi, it requires 60% TRC20, 40% BTC20. So there are two different wallets, DeFi TRC20 wallet holding and BTC20 wallet holding. Then there is Capital 3.0 wallets. Of course, Capital 3.0 is a different product, right? So from this, the potential earning you have is 5x. So whatever income that you claim from the sales of Capital 3.0, it gets deducted from your remaining 5x. But you are also accumulating token 3.0. So your affiliate earnings plus whatever you are claiming in token 3.0, both they get deducted from your 5x potential earning, right? So like you can see over here, it's 205 in affiliate commissions and almost 111 in token 3.0, right? This is unclaimed bonus for 5x, and this is your TRC20 wallet holding. The deposits are 100% in TRC20 in Capital 3.2. Then there are reward wallets. So if you have qualified for Ascension Club pool wallet, so this wallets, they help you withdraw your club rewards and pool rewards. Then there is World Horizon. So we have two refund claims. The one from the previous project that we had on We Are All Satoshi, that is the proof of reserve refunds, the World Horizon balance. It can be withdrawn in WBTC. So where you will find this WBTC wallet address, it's simply your MetaMask wallet address, where you are mining BTCC. All right. So you can withdraw on your MetaMask wallet wherever you are claiming boomerang refunds as well. All right. So all you need to do is put your wallet address, enter the amount, transaction password, and you are done. Similarly, you have this boomerang refunds, boomerang 1.0 refunds, and you can claim those refunds from this section. Now, this is the summary of Capital 3.0. So this is left team business, the total volume. This is right team business in Capital 3.0, the total volume. Introduce a kickback booster, then token, how many tokens you have accumulated, and the check match bonuses you have claimed. All right. This is DeFi income summary. So this is left team business volume. This is right team business volume. This is introducer kickback, booster kickback, check match bonuses, and tech capital ROI. All right. So we have another product that is tech capital, which is not related to the, which is not in the referral part, but it's a product, right? Which offers 0.25% to 0.35% every day, right? So whatever you are gaining from that ROI, it is listed over here. Then this is interesting. This is your Ascension Club reward. This is pool income. And, initially there was only a, single country time stamping. Now we have GMT. So current GMT date and time, then your country, respective country date and time, you can see. And over here, you can see the daily business closing, right? So like we are left with 10 hours and 5 minutes from the business closing. This is the participants number in your team, the direct partners, left partners, and right partners. Then this is a very interesting section that has been recently added. This is your distance to next rank. Now we have shared that both the claims, the potential earning from Capital 3.0 and DeFi product, they both are different. But their total volume, whatever volume you are having from the sales of DeFi product and the volume you are having from Capital 3.0, both are included in your rank and pool qualifications. Like you can see over here. So this section, it lists your remaining business volume for your next rank. This is left team business. This is right team business, right? And then there is a profile section. There is no change in that profile section, and it's practically very plain and simple. So it's an overview like we had previously in the WAS back office. It's pretty much the same, nothing more added. And then we have subscriptions. So again, for subscriptions as well, everything remains the same. In fact, this drop-down menu are also quite similar to the previous UI. In the subscriptions, we have Bitcoin code. So again, 550, 5,000, then the node subscription at 27,000. And let me inform you, the node subscription values are going to increase. Right now they are 2,700, 27,000, and very soon they are going to be increasing in value because the BTCC price is increasing. So over here, pretty much it's the same thing that it's a DeFi subscription. So definitely you are going to require TRC20 and BTC20 to buy any NFT. And of course, you know that you can buy directly from the income wallet as well, right? All right. So subscriptions are same. Right now in the Boomerang section, you are having your Boomerang subscription history. Of course, the refunds are ongoing. So this subscription history is very important. Then 9pay, similar thing. We have already explained, you have explained Dodo. Then we have, Capital 3.0 is the same thing. Over here, the deposits are going to be in TRC20 and 2% daily compounding, potential earning 5x. So with $100 package, you get $500 worth potential earning. And Tech Capital. So like we mentioned, the Tech Capital is a very unique product. The minimum deposits over here is starting from 25,000. So 25,000 to 50,000 to 100,000. There are three packages. Each package yields 0.25, 0.30, and 0.35 respectively. These are daily yields. That means daily ROI. But the difference between these three products is the lock-in period. So over here with $25,000, your lock-in period is daily. That means today you deposit, tomorrow morning, again, you will receive with 0.25%. The capital plus your 0.25%. Over here, if the lock-in period is for weekly basis, and over here, it is on monthly basis. So subscription remains the same. Rest of the things are same. Now, very quickly, we will go through assets. So asset is the section where all your wallets are listed. Again, this section as well has been, bifurcated from DeFi and Capital 3.2. So the first section, it is divided in three sections, first, second, and third, three rows practically. So the first row, this is the first row. I'm sorry. So this shows you your wallet holding. So in DeFi, you have two wallets. One is TRC20 and one is BTC20. So you have two wallets for DeFi and one wallet in Capital 3.0. So this includes your deposit funds as well as your income. Okay, so this is in total the value of your wallets. That is your total wallet holdings. Then in the second section, there are income wallets. Again, starting with these are income wallets. So one income wallet of DeFi and the other of Capital 3.2. The entire flow of the UI is DeFi Capital 3.2, DeFi Capital 3.2. All right, so these are income wallets. Then there are deposits wallets. So we have three deposit wallets, of course. For DeFi, we will have TRC20 deposit plus BTC20 deposits, right? And this is Capital 3.0 deposit wallets. Please make sure, I don't have to remind it again, it's a very basic protocol. Please make sure that you deposit minimum 10 USDT over here. And please make sure that you deposit $1 extra, because whenever you deposit TRC20 or so some part of TRC20, it is lost when it gets transformed to SUSD. All right. So please make sure that the minimum deposit is $10 and you deposit at least $1 extra. And this is TRC20, 60%. This is BTC20, 40%. And this is the Capital 3.0 deposit wallet indicated by red icon over here. This is entirely, absolutely in TRC20. So you create a wallet and whatever package you want to buy on Capital 3.0, you deposit in this deposit wallet. Then do you remember guys, like Shaved has mentioned that he will soon introduce a feature where people will be able to buy USDT BTC20 directly from the platform. Of course, there are going to be charges for this, but this feature is going to be soon live and active, so people can buy directly from the platform itself. Then the team summary is practically the same. Of course, there is one overview section where you can see the total number of participants, number of nodes, and DeFi left volume. This is DeFi left volume. There are some, this UI is going to be adjusted in some computers or in some resolutions. It's not, reflecting properly or in a correct sequence. So this is total, this is direct, total BV. And one interesting thing is, like, initially when you would hover your mouse in that section, the sponsors details were not mentioned. But right now, I don't know if you can see this. Let me shorten a bit more. So right now, if you hover your mouse, you will be able to see the registration date, the date activated, sponsored by. So over here, you can see the name of the sponsor. Initially, it wasn't available. So right now, this interesting feature, so that way, any of your teammate, like if you have directly sponsored, you can hover your mouse and you can explore the details, and you will get to know who's the sponsor. Then the LB volume, the left CF, the capital 3.0 LB, capital 3.0 left CF, DeFi subscription, number of accounts, and capital 3.0 subscriptions. So practically this remains almost the same. Sorry. Then direct, team view, level view, everything is same. Then support, of course, this is also the same feature. Nothing has been changed over here. And profile also remains the same. So if frankly speaking, if you ask my feedback, this, I was always impressed by the details that our VAS UI had. It was time-stamped so correctly. All the information, all the transaction history, in fact, all the commission history was so, clearly defined. So I was very much impressed, but this is really good. This is really beautiful. And with all the icons, and this is looking so very much professional. And in spite of having so many, products, so many wallets, so much to explore in the dashboard, everything has been synchronizedly organized. And if you would follow the fall of things, how they are organized, it will take some time for you to familiarize all the settings, but this is brilliant work from the tech team. So kudos to tech team for designing this beautiful website and this dashboard. And trust me when I say this to you, we are venturing into a very strong and bold ecosystem. The way of functioning, the way the product will be delivered, the way the entire ecosystem will be functional, everything is going to change very soon. And this is a proof of it. This is just the start of it. So congratulations to everybody. And that is it from the training side. Thank you so much for joining this training, and we wish you all the best. So over to you, Grace, and we will quickly have a couple of questions. After that, we will conclude the session.
Excellent, Trashit. You've done it again, and excellent training. As you said, this ecosystem, this We Are All Satoshi affiliate marketing, it is so full of information. And so thank you for delivering it so eloquently. We have a few hands up for questions, and we're going to go ahead and limit it. And Fred, you're going to be the last one or the first one. You've got your video started. So folks, if you could go ahead and start your video. All righty, so we have, and Patrick, you'll be the last person then. Malik. Malik, could you please unmute and ask your question?
How's everybody doing today? Good to see you. I hope everybody's enjoying their weekend. Thank you for your support on this weekend for both you and Rosie. I really appreciate all your training you guys do. And Grace, thank you for so much for giving us grace. All right. The
Thank you.
question I have is, I'm out here in Texas right now, and I don't have all my notes with me. But my question is, how do you get a guest started with Dodo if you're not in it yet, and how much of the boomerang refund can we use for Dodo? I think it's 40%. I'm not sure, but
Yes, Malik, evening to you. And if anybody wants to get started with Dodo, so they will require deposits in TRC20 and BTC20. That's of the package value. So let's say you are buying a package of $500 from Affiliate Marketing 3.0. So you will require 300 in TRC20 deposits, right? And 200 in BTC20 deposits. Let's say you are having
it's
a boomerang refund, maybe of like right now, most of have received more than 270 or 280 something. So that way you can utilize that amount from boomerang to buying a Dodo subscription. Now, if you're planning to buy it right now, any index, all right. So there is a whitelisting criteria. So Chavez has asked us for a week's time and how your WAS subscription will be connected to the DApp. He will clearly explain. So we will have to wait until then. But if you want to directly buy from the platform is open. It has got nothing to do with your WAS subscription right now. Okay. Once the account abstractions and everything is aligned, then your WAS back office will be connected to the Dodo DApp, and that way we will have that 100 times buying indexes limit.
so right now we don't have any link to send to a customer right now from the WAS for Dodo, right? Is that
Of course, you can refer you can provide them your referral link, and they can buy the subscription. So right now the sales of subscriptions are open, so you can definitely claim commissions from the
right?
sales.
Even if
Right.
even if you're not in it yet, right?
No, the subscriptions are live right now. You can buy the subscriptions from Affiliate Marketing 3.0.
Yeah, 'cause I have somebody that want to get started with Dodo, and I'm not in it yet, right? Because I don't have the funds to get in it yet. But that's why I want to know how much I could use for my boomerang refund, to get in it.
So I told you, whatever the package you buy,
The
40% will be
500.
required in BTC20. So like if you have a boomerang refund of 100 your BTC20, so you will require more funds because the minimum package value is 500, and with that 40% you will require at least 200 BTC20.
Okay, so I could do
Yeah.
200 BTC 20, and
If
then
you're
the rest
buying
is
a package
TRC
of
20.
500,
The rest is TRC 20, right?
yes, 500 for 500, 300 is TRC20, 200 is BTC20.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I want to make clear that I can go ahead and help a person even though I'm not in it, yet, and still get
Yes.
credit for it. Okay.
But let me tell you again, once again, to everybody right now, your WAS back office won't be connected to the DApp. All right. We have some features to be added. And only after that, you will have the buying purchasing power, purchasing limit of the 100x. So just buy the subscription and sell the Dodo subscription in WAS. You will get affiliate commissions. And whatever you are earning in affiliate commissions, that you can put to buying the indices.
Okay. Sounds good.
Right?
Sounds good. Thank
The
you,
sales
brother.
are open. Claim commissions.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, Malik. And Yanti, how are you? Please go ahead and unmute.
Thanks.
Hey, Jayanti, how are you?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Okay. First of all, please convey my gratefulness to Mr. Chavez.
Sure.
Done a beautiful job and very quickly too. There's a lot of work there, a lot of content to be updated yet, right?
Yeah.
Some navigation things, like if I'm in one of the pages and I want to go back to the beginning, there is no way to go back. So maybe those things can be looked at by somebody. And in terms of spelling and everything else, English itself, everything is almost perfect.
Yes.
Nothing going wrong. So in terms of was not being used anymore. Can we call the community as was and the company as affiliate marketing 3.0?
We are affiliate marketing company now, so I would prefer to call affiliate marketing community. We are like an affiliate community. AFM
No,
3.0 community.
because so many places we use was already, and it'll be kind of
Yeah.
getting confused. So, any reason why was is not being used?
Why do we grow? Why do we evolve? Why do we make progress? Why do we rebrand?
Okay,
Why do
okay,
we
okay,
succeed?
okay.
Why do we
I
attempt? Why
understand.
do yeah?
You don't
It's
want to discuss.
yeah.
All right. Okay. The launch pad is good
Yeah.
in terms of platform and all that. And at the last picture where it says coming soon, it could be made to launching soon, which fits in with all the rest of the stuff. That's just my initial cursory looking over the site for one or 2 hours.
Jayanti, let's do one thing. I'll connect with you and we will have a personal feedback on this. Let me connect with
Oh,
you. Let's
okay.
connect. I will have your
In
personal
the
feedback.
in the inside, the premium position. The premium position has to be different from DeFi to capital.
Jayanti, people are
It
waiting for with questions, so let's
okay,
let's keep a
okay, all
separate
right,
time for feedbacks. Right?
okay, yeah, sure,
Thank you, ma'am.
no problem,
Thank you.
Thank
If you
you
have
for
any
those
questions, please ask.
observations, Genti. Thank you.
no
Thanks.
problem.
And B, please go ahead and unmute.
Thank you guys so much for everything you're doing. I am just going. I'm confused with a little bit of the presentation that Chavez did on Friday, and was telling us that if you went in and bought your 3.0 in the same email, using the same email from 2 or 3 different accounts, that will be bundled into one. And you have to be able to create
B,
separate
he did
email.
not
Yeah.
he did not mention about Capital 3.0. He mentioned about Dodo.
Okay.
So the account
Yes.
abstraction thing that is coming. So
Yes.
if you are having the same email across your multiple accounts, so let's say
Yes.
you buy a Dodo package on the first account, then the second account, on the third account, then all your index buying purchase index limit will be
Yeah.
available in total on the
Mm-hmm.
single dApp,
Okay.
single wallet.
Okay. Now that some of us already did it in multiple, with same email, what do we do going forward?
So if you intend to buy Dodo subscriptions, like you can always resubscribe, you can always top up the subscriptions, right? Dodo subscriptions. But if you would like to sponsor your own account, let's say you are having an A account and you would like to buy Dodo in the B account, right?
Mhm.
So to claim the 5% and 10%, right? Maybe. So you need to have separate emails on A and B. If you have bought on A Dodo subscription and you are intending to claim benefits, separate benefits. So you need to have two different emails on A and B.
Okay. And then when it goes to the platform, to the trading platform, how does that,
So most probably we will be able, what Shaviz mentioned is, although it's a DeFi, but it will act as a Web2. So everybody will be able to access their Dodo dApp through a login. So that way, if you are having two different emails, so you will have two different dApps. I mean, you will be able to access, separate account for one particular Dodo subscription and a separate account for second subscription.
Okay. Then secondly, I noticed that some people bought their Dodo, they bought the 3.0, and when they activated the Phantom wallet, you could see that the Capital 3.0 token is there. And then when they went and voted, they have the ST Capital 3.0. But my account doesn't have anything like that. And I don't know if I did the right thing, because when I went to vote, and I saw that Chavez said you could put number. When I went to vote, there was just the one. I didn't change the one. I don't know if that is going to affect me, or should I go back and redo it again and put
Let me
my
ask
own number
you, have you received a Capital 3.0 DAO token
from my
on your Solana Phantom
Phantom?
wallet?
Yes, my Solana
You
Phantom.
have received, right?
Yes, I received.
So just go to the dApp link, connect your wallet, and vote. So
I
yeah.
voted. When I voted, the Capital 3.0 disappeared. Then the ST Capital 3.0 appeared.
So that means your vote has been done, voting has been done, and you are good to go for allocation.
Okay, now that Chavez said when you go to vote, you could cancel the one and put a figure like 50. I don't know what that is all about, because I think many people like myself, I didn't go to change any figures. The one was there. I just went and clicked and voted successfully.
Right now, all we have to do is, if you have received C30 DAO token, just vote and you will have a confirmation in staked Capital 3.0 token. And that's it, nothing else. We wait for allocation, and whatever the technical details are related to that part, we will conduct in the next training.
I don't know if you can see a little bit of what I'm talking about. This is how some people's accounts appear. Yes.
Thank you so much.
You
Go
have
ahead.
received two tokens. Capital, you are still with one Capital 3.0 token. So vote again.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
For clarification, contact your upline and all of that, get some assistance if you want to show your background, if you want to share your screen, okay? Thank you. Patrick, please go ahead and unmute.
Okay. Good evening. I've got two questions. The first one is, what's the status on 9pay?
Shaviz will declare that next in this Wednesday call. We are waiting for final confirmation from Visa. Some audits were cleared, but then they asked for some changes as per the audit. So that those changes are being implemented, and Shaviz will update in the next Wednesday call about it.
Okay. The second one is, I did a withdrawal of my WBTC.
Yeah.
But it hasn't appeared on my
Okay. So there was a technical glitch in some calculation. Some received extra refunds. So that all is being corrected. So if your withdrawal has been cancelled, please be assured it will again be available soon. And about that as well, Shaviz will update on this call.
Okay. Because
Okay.
on my system it just shows pending.
All right.
Yeah, the even some withdrawals have been rolled back. So that those things are being corrected. There was a technical glitch.
Thank you,
Okay,
Patrick.
thanks so much.
And lastly, we have Downtown Fred. Please unmute.
Can you hear me okay?
Yep.
Okay, yeah. Thanks for calling on me, Grace. I appreciate that. And Trashit, great job with the training, going through everything. I appreciate your support and your expertise and professionalism.
Thank you, sir.
Bravos to you. And I have just two quick questions that are really it's been made important. That's the voting. I have two situations with people in my downline. One is they still, after days, still haven't gotten their one, token to vote. So I don't know what to do about that. And it's been conveyed that that's very important. And the second scenario is that a person does have, I have one person who does have the one, but when he goes to vote, he's got like 97 cents in his Solana wallet. It just keeps on saying not enough funds. So those two situations, could you address or give me some direction?
So the first thing, I think if your downline have not received the C30 DAO token yet, and it has been like maybe 24 to 48 hours. So I will request you to reach out to your sponsors or reach out to your rank leaders, and let's see if anything is to be done. There was a Google form which has been closed, right? So for this stuff, but the minting is ongoing. Some people are receiving. So let's wait for that. And about the second thing that try to change the wallet, maybe try to change the device. Have you tried anything such?
No, I've just
So
tried on
do that. Hopefully it should be a technical glitch, or I think apart from that, there is nothing right now that we can do or I can help you with.
Okay, so you said the first question to get what are we waiting? You said the Google form is closed. What else?
The
I mean,
Google form was available, but it's closed right now. And the option you are having right now is reach out to your sponsor and through them to the rank leaders. And let's see if account has been left with minting of C30 DAO token, right?
yeah, because it's been over a week that the subscription was done.
Okay.
So
So please reach out to your rank leaders through line of sponsorship.
thank you. All right, we'll
Yeah.
do. All the best.
Thank you, Downtown. All righty. Well, Trashit, you've done it again, as I stated. Thank you so much for a very clear direction on the two matters that you focused on Dodo and the WASP back office. I agree with you. That WASP back office is slick, it's beautiful, and it has the color of prosperity. So we're
Yes.
looking forward to being able to use it. And so thank you all who came here to learn, because learning is increasing your ability to earn and staying on top of this fast moving train. Get on it and stay on. Hang in there. We'll see you next time. I will say goodbye at this time, give you back the rest of your day. Again, Trashit, thank you.
Pleasure, Grace, and thank you, everybody. We'll see you next weekend. Thank you.
Bye-bye, all.